and release. Push back to downward facing dog. Really building heat, staying in extend, lifting the left leg. Open up your hip, pointer flex the foot. Continue with your Ujjayi breath. Look through your left arm. Breathe, inhaling and exhaling. Inhale, lift. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, three-legged dog. Tripada Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, knee to left elbow. Breathe in, three-legged dog. And breathe in again. Breathe out, bring your knee to your nose. Hold here, and we're gonna go down and up. And lift. Down and lift. And that's it, hold. Step the left foot forward, spiral the back foot down as we lift to Virabhadrasana 1. Warrior 1, now sink into your leg, lifting up through your heart. Open up your arms. And clasp your hands and press your knuckles down towards your heels, finding length in the front body and bend into the left leg more. Breath. And exhale, humble warrior. Drop your head, look at the arch of your back foot. Yes, try to lift your arm as much as you can. Now sink a little bit further to find more depth in the front leg. And release. Spiral the back foot up. Now here, sweep your leg back behind you to three-legged dog. Open up your hip. Look through your left window, point or flex the foot. And now, if you'd like to flip your dog, take it over.
It's all good.
This time, the right leg is straight and the left knee is bent. Lift your hips and find all the joy in the front body and length. Back to three-legged dog. And bring the foot down. Bend your knees, walk, step or float to the top of your mat to halfway lift. And fold. Breathe in, extend A. Sit low. Utkatasana. Seated chair pose, hands to heart center. Anjali Mudra. And the right elbow to the outside of your left knee. Press your palms together. Eye gaze down to the side or up. Open up your arms if you'd like. Really finding length here. Bring the hand down. Forward fold. And right leg steps back to lunge. Inhale, lift. Beautiful. See the depth here? Try to stay as low as you possibly can. Right elbow to the outside of the left knee. Press the palms together. Fire up the back leg. Eye gaze to the side. Or you can even track your eye gaze up. And when you're ready, open up your arms, taking your right arm over your left leg. And if you want more, wrap or...
By the way, you know each day will play a different part of your story.
Take the full wrap. Breath. Root down as the ball of your back foot and feel all four corners of your front foot and release. Push back to downward facing dog.